Hello and welcome to my channel. So unfortunately today is raining outside, so we don't have a chance to go fishing, but I decided to show you how to set up a fishing rig that's meant to catch carp. So we're gonna need a rod, a reel, we're gonna need some main fishing line, we're gonna need two spinners that are like one side has a small loop and the other side has a big loop. We're gonna need a hook, some pre-line, we're gonna need some fishing tubing, a lighter and a knife, and of course in the end a matted feeder. So let's start. So firstly we're gonna connect our fishing reel to our fishing rod. We're gonna put some line on the reel. So how do we do that? We pass the line through all the loops, pass it around the guide, and then make a simple knot. Doesn't have to be a complex knot, a simple knot here. Once this is done, we cut off the excess line and we simply spool the new line this on the rod. Once the line is on the reel, we're going to continue to with the second part. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut about 30 centimeters of line and put this line on the side. We're going to use it in a few minutes. Okay, so we just cut off about 30 centimeters or a bit more of line, put this on the side, and then we're gonna put our first swivel onto the line, and we're gonna use the small eye to put the first line in. This is very important to use the small eye, not the big eye, and I'm gonna explain that in a minute. Then we're gonna take the line, the 30 centimeters or more of the line we just cut off, and we're gonna attach it to the large spinner hole. Again, the small hole of the spinner and the new line attached to the big hole of the spinner, right? So then we're gonna attach our matted feeder and we're gonna take the other spinner, and this time we're gonna firstly attach it to the large hole, again using the same knot. Okay, so why did we do this? We did this simply because now the matted feeder has about 20 to 30 centimeters of free space that it can slide, and because the fish will take the hook and it will feel no resistance, and it can swim a few meters or a few centimeters away. Once it gets to this point, it's gonna feel the resistance, and then the hook will set. So here we attached now the reel to the rod, we added line to the reel, we put on two spinners, and in the middle we put a matted feeder. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up a hair rig. So for this we're gonna need a hook, pre-line, tubing and lighter. Okay, so firstly we're gonna take about 30 centimeters of pre-line. Get it? And then on one side we're gonna do a simple loop. Okay, and cut off the excess line. So now we're gonna take some fishing tubing and cut off a small piece. And we're gonna slide this piece on to the pre-line. Okay, so once it is on, we're gonna take our hook and we're gonna put it through the fishing tubing. So as you can see, we're using this so we can position where the hair on this rig is located on a hook, so we have a better chance of actually hooking the fish. And then we're gonna simply do a knotless knot. We do this by simply going through the hook one time, going 8 times around the hook, and then again on the other side through the hook eye. And that's it. Our hair rig is now ready to be used. We just need to attach it to the rig. And we're gonna try to position the hair rig so it's about 15 centimeters or more from the rest of the rig. Okay, so now the lighter comes in play. So we're gonna simply make a small stop here so the knot does not come loose. So that's it. We set up complete rig with hair rig going to the spinner. The spinner is then connected to about 30 centimeters of line, to another spinner that's actually gonna stop the matted feeder from going too far up the line, and to our rig. So basically that's it. Hopefully this helps you, and hopefully you learned something. In case you have any questions, please ask in the comments and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, please like, share and subscribe.